You've already passed. Oh, look, there it is. There it is. I see it. It's still on that street. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This your girl Tiffany Michelle. And today I am sitting here at the window, as you can see, and I am waiting for 2 packages to be delivered today. One of them is a very special package that I'm going to be reviewing in another video. So, well, no, not in another video. It's actually going to be reviewed in this video, but it probably won't be filmed until tomorrow or probably later on today. You guys will see it, but I'm going to be reviewing the product that I'm waiting to be delivered. Hopefully, it'll be delivered today. So I'm sitting here waiting and waiting and waiting for this package to get here. So stay tuned, guys. I see the Amazon van coming up the street, I think. Oh, is it not coming? I think it might have already passed. Yeah, I don't see it anymore. It may have already passed. Oh, look, there it is. There it is. I see it. It's still on that street down there. But let me zoom in a little bit more. You see the Amazon Prime van right there. It's coming. It's almost here. There it is. I'm just waiting for it. I think it's gone. Oh, look, no, it's still there. It's at the corner. It's getting ready to turn down my street. I think I can't point it out at all. But it's coming. There's the bus. Package is here. I got it off of Amazon. And I am still waiting on the other package to come. So after that, I will open this. I will open this and I will open my other package. So guys, please stay tuned. Alexa, turn on living room light.
Okay.
Okay, so I got well, I've already opened it. So this stuff was bought for me. I did not buy this stuff. So I got a new belt. I got a belt because I got some jeans. Those jeans I had on in my I got some new jeans video. That video. Those jeans are a little too big for me. Can you believe that? Something's too big for me. They're too big for me. So I needed a belt, so someone got me a belt. It fits me perfectly too. So it just tells me how to put on the belt. Okay, so the piece of resistance, the big thing that I'm really excited that I got, is in this box right here. Uh-oh. Alexa's telling me.
I didn't catch that. Please say that again.
Oh, she's telling me I got a notification. Alexa, what's my notification?
One new notification from Amazon Shopping. Water bottle has arrived.
Oh, duh, I got it right here. Got it right here. So I am going to open the package. coldest water, the coldest water. So I can't wait. All right. Ouch. Where's my nail? I really hate this angle. Guys, let me pause this because I really do not like this angle. Well, I don't have to pause. I'm just gonna move this camera down a little bit because it's up too high for me. All right, there we go. It's perfect. So here it is, my water bottle. Yes, I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, so it does come with the little flip top there. That's exactly what I wanted. I wanted a water bottle with a straw. And it keeps my water cold. It keeps it cold. It's gonna keep my water cold because I hate room temperature water. So I like my water ice cold. It made me think about that song. Ice baby. But yeah, so I got this. And I'm so excited about it. So in my next video, I am going to be doing a review on this bottle. Okay, to see. So I'm gonna put some ice in here, and I'm let it sit in here for, because it says it's 36 hours. So I'm gonna let it sit in there for 36 hours. I guess that's like what, a day and a half maybe. So I'm gonna let it sit in here for 36 hours and see how long it'll last. I'm excited about this, guys. So I'm real excited. I always wanted a bottle that I had a bottle that kept my water cold. It worked, but it just not. I wanted a straw so bad. I would like use straws to try to drink out of it, and it just did not work for me. It didn't have a handle on it like I wanted it, to make it easy for me to carry. But I wanted a bottle where I can actually fit my ice cubes in. You can fit your ice cubes in this one. So I'm excited about this coldest water bottle. Let's see if I can get my money's worth for this. But anyway, ooh, and I love the box it came in. Look at that box. It's an awesome box. Oh, it comes, oh shoot. They even got the coldest ice packs. They even got their own ice packs. They got their own pillows. This is awesome. So I can't wait to try this out, guys. Try this bottle out. So stay tuned for that next video of my review on this water bottle. So make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe if you're new, make sure you turn on your post notifications, and until then, have a blessed day. Bye bye now.